Hey everybody, how you doing? This is John, and I'm going to be doing the second part of the video of Beslowe USA outdoor wall light fixture and motion sensor. So as you can see from the first video, I told you that when you have the light, it's installed at 30%. It starts off, and then as you approach the motion center, there it goes to 100%. So as you approach, you can see also how bright it is. And it'll stay on for a couple minutes. Then as you go back, though, sorry about the video shaking, it'll stay on for a while. Then after a while, it'll shut down back to about 30%. So I used a 8-watt LED bulb, also save on energy as well, which is equivalent to 60 watts. And there we go, Beslowe USA. I picked up these lights from Amazon. They were really inexpensive. I got two units for the price of one, which you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out my YouTube video really quick. And be sure to check out the playlist for their part 1 and this part 2. And I'll see you next time. Bye.